To figure out how well your landing pages are doing, you can check the conversion rates. To do that, you'll come into Website, Landing Page, and roll over to the three dots and View Analytics. And this is where you can see what's happening over the lifetime of the page. These are the stats that automatically show up here. How many people viewed it overall, how many people opted in from that page, and the conversion rate. And this is sometimes accurate, sometimes not. Sometimes when you're previewing the page constantly, you might be affecting the views of all time. To receive a super accurate picture of what's going on, you'll need to set up Google Analytics, which is a little more advanced for where you're at right now. But if you are interested in hiring someone to set up Google Analytics for you, you can do tracking that way as well. And it's going to be a little more accurate, but at least this gives you something to start with. So in this area, you can see there's a drop-down menu where you can see over time how it's going. Conversion rate down here, all that. So that's that.